With the top back, kicking with me, yeah, you know he the tall head. The word put up in the scat pad, tell me hold it down, you know I got that. Chopper kick his ass, no more to come back. We get the pad, run through it like running back. Look at my pocket, this shit looking hella fat, like a hella fan. Fish scale, diamonds on me, fish scale. Diamonds on me, fish scale. Top of time, you would never tell, Fish scale, diamonds on me, fish scale. Diamonds on me, fish scale. Top of time, you would never tell,
When I get high, I'm focused. I'm on drill shit, I'm loaded. And my young niggas, they roll. Be wanna foot to the big got a Trojan. I'm like, A-Tower, what's the motion? We in the back of the street sipping potion. That's a bad bitch, I'm strong.
3 TV, we back at with another video. You know how we coming. We back at it. Hey, you know it's a banger every time I drop, you know. Hey, that wind might be kind of loud, so hey. Alright, so this the plan. So today, I still don't got a car. Don't trip. I still don't got one. Don't trip. That's not the video. But today's video gonna be on. It's been a little minute before I didn't drop the video, so we got a car meet in the cities. Hopefully it's busting, cause sometimes it don't be busting. So hopefully this time it's gonna be busting, and we gonna get there. And I might drive. I got a new whip. I'm gonna turn a new beater, not my main whip, but it's a new beater. I stay with them joints. But I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. But what is it like? Light skin fan. I'm not trying to show y'all the car yet. That's why I'm kind of down here. But yeah, but anyway, we about to go to the cities, and then we're gonna see what the car meet looking like. And my friend Swick or whatever, he got his BMW. That jump been going for a minute, and I think that jump fixed, so he might be popping out tonight too. But we gonna see though. I'm not fully sure yet, cause me, I left all the group. I left like all the groups of the cars and everything, cause I ain't got a whip. I don't want to be in no group chat if I can't pull up and hey, you know, slide. But yeah, ain't the sun going away. It's still looking good though. But yeah, that's about it. And it's 6:30 right now, and we supposed to be going there at like we supposed to be meeting up at like 7. So I'm gonna see how I go. But I'm gonna show y'all this car real quick. Come on. Here she go. Here she go. I call her Red Rosie. Yeah, Red Rosie. And I just cleaned it. It's crazy because the car meet was tonight. I just cleaned it today. Cause I got a new job done. That Tom Cadillac car detail. But they be tripping on letting you wash your own cars and people's cars. But today we was dead, so I just went on and did it. But yeah, give y'all a little rundown. 2002, same year I was born. Stop playing. I said I'm gonna keep this one. I say I'm gonna keep a lot of cars, but I don't know. People come with that money, she be gone. But yeah, look, you little something. And the dude before I got it, he said he had it for 8 years, and he got it with 120,000 miles, I think. Yeah. And now I got 201. So she been down through there. And I don't know what happened right there. And dude said a deer ran and slapped into the door. I don't know how that happened, but I guess the deer was like on the side right here, and he was driving, boom, and dented it up. A little rust on him. You know, Minnesota known for rust. But she still, the bottom not really that rusty though. It's just really like the little corner, whatever it's called, I don't know. But the fenders, whatever. But then, ooh, look at that inside. Come on now, stop playing. Ooh, look at the back seat. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. No cracks. Nowhere. But today, I was just peeping it. It's like somebody then slashed my window. or something. But I don't even know, but somebody broke in this junk like the other night, like I'm gonna say a few days ago. And it wasn't nothing in here, but I had my chains in here. They was right up in there. And then they just took the chains off the pendants, off my 3-time chain. If you've been watching my YouTube video, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I ain't tripping though. Cause I knew I closed it that night because I didn't lock it up because it's a beater. Why would I lock a beater up? Come on now. So I had this junk like, I closed it. But I came out, it was like this. It was just like that. And this was popped. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, my trunk was popped too. If I'm not mistaken, because when I pulled the latch, it was loose. And you know, the latch don't supposed to be loose if it's not popped, you know? But yeah. I ain't tripping though. Niggas really be broke out here. Stop playing. But this the whip. Not much, not major. Another dent right there. I ain't tripping. But yeah, I might be pushing this to the cities. Why not? Gas saver. It was on dead E, like under E. Last night it took $40 last night. And before that, I filled it up to like 32, 33. But let me pop the hood too. I'm tripping. My bad. And this another thing. The hood won't close unless that go down. But it eventually go down. Let's see what we working with. I gotta check the oil in this baby too. Hold on. Doing this all in one hand. Alright. Pretty clean, pretty clean. A little shiny, right? I was wiping that. Ain't nothing leaking though. We good, we good. Battery decent. Let's check this oil. Try to get a napkin. Hold on, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second. I wish I had a camera person. I might have one tonight though. We're gonna see. But let me see, where can I put my camera at? Bingo. Perfect, perfect. That's perfect. All right, I'm about to pull this oil stick out, show y'all what's popping. Man, be working out now. Well, I've been working out, but I've been off and on. But we're back in there. I ain't gonna show y'all the first. You always supposed to pull it out and put it back in. Hold on. See what we working with. Hold on. I'm gonna flip the camera. Hold on. Yeah, we looking. Hold on. Hey, she ain't focusing. There we go. There we go. See, she a little tad bit low, but she still clean though. She was still clean. Where I had this camera at? Oh, right here. Yeah, she good. She good. Simple. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of talking, so I'm gonna shut up and pick this camera up when we get to the spot before we head out. I just miss doing YouTube, you know. I ain't been having nothing to do, you know, no videos on, so I ain't really been picking the camera up like that. And I'm about to start making some shorts too. Get on, bird. I'm about to start making, hold on. See, it won't close, bro. I'm about to start doing shorts too soon whenever I might do something tonight, depending on what car is there and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm about to stop doing all this talking because y'all probably like, hey, why are you talking so much? Let's get to the video. And don't skip, bro. Don't skip. Watch the whole video out, bro. No cap. We on and popping out here. Trying to get this hood to close. But y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all let your family know, let your mama know, let your daddy know. If y'all like these cars and want some content, let me know. And my Instagram and stuff should be in the description. There you go. Y'all heard that click? It just went down. Yeah, it just went down. But yeah, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Y'all hey, I'm trying to get this jump up, bro. I'm trying to get this jump booming. But patience is key. Nothing come to a sleep but a dream. Keep working, keep grinding. All work, no play. You gotta keep going. No cap. He wanna be on my YouTube channel. I would say so. I ain't gonna do too much. But I'm out of here. I'll catch y'all in for y'all, it's gonna be in a second. Like 1 second. But for me, probably gonna take another about hour or two. But I'm gonna get back with y'all.
Let's go!
Still like the neighbor, so you better not play me. For the rocket down, we take. That's another thing, like I got no safety. Put a switch up on this bitch, so the beat get the shake. Give a fuck about who hate me. No one standing 10 toes, they love when I came in.
Outside. Come on. Drop the gear. One more. Lay it down some more. 40. Kicked in. No turbos kicked in.
I heard him.
And he like 4D.
He is?
Yeah. 3 for sure, I know. 3 for sure. They got Benz right there.
There you go.
Sound like a supercharger. No cap. Oh, look at the view. Awesome. First thing I see. Tough. It's a little slight meat out here. Dang, it is. Dang. Oh, he got the bogus inside. Can't do it. I should be seeing some rear wheel drive, but like the inside, like not it. Got the Z. I already know what car that is. Oh, this the one car. Yeah. Telling you, tough. What else we? Oh, this junk over here. Beamer. More people pulling up. I don't beaters, bro. It's loud. If y'all watched my last videos, I already had this car on there before. Y'all can just go watch the old ones. Camry. Oh, too low. Got the wide body on there. Got the pink Chrysler. Hang it. Sorry. Got the Mustang out here. Old junk. pipe sticking outside. But yeah, I had to walk over to this. Man, I don't even know what happened. I'm looking at it. Man. This one right here is crazy. Look at this junk. This might be the thumbnail for the channel. Dang, look at the tires on this junk. Sheesh. Inside. Oh yeah. This junk overly flat. Look at the back. Dang. This your car? How much you pushing? You don't know? Dino? Dang. That. Gonna get some Foley footage? Foley? Oh, God. Oh, he turned back in, that's why. But yeah, this is hard. SRT. Yeah, you can't see nothing. I can see the steering wheel a little bit.
Dude, I think this that 1G. Remember I ran on 1G on the highway? I don't know.
I can't remember.
I don't know if you were.
I seen this jump before too.
Big jump, Mark.
Yeah, he got this jump 10. I know he getting pulled over. This jump tough. See, that nigga want to blue like this right here. This jump slick. This jump hard. This is. Yes, sir.
You supposed to be here. How we beat you in here? I was 30 minutes out. Nobody go to be here.
Yes, sir. More people pull up. Sample. See what's over here. This boy's so tough. Back to back. I always thought about getting a Z. Tough. Tough. But yeah, they just, hey, more people still pulling up. They just getting overly busting. Dang, SRTG, woo, howdy. Overly busting. Well, bumping over here. No cap. Yes, sir. We got some footage. Let's go. Please don't touch. No. Oh! Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Dang, I want to let my window down.
I don't even care.
Yeah, we with him.
We with him. What a freak.
No, we got it. We in there. Woo! We in there. Ugh.
Hey, on me. Hold on. It's a curve. I'm about to get in there. Give me a sec. Dang. We ain't got no lanes, bro. Dang. That's not clean as freak.
Bro,
Bro,
cutting up.
niggas is cutting up for real.
He made one time.
I don't know. What kind of place me at?
Yes, sir. 12 the whole time.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
He gone. Oh, BMW out of there.
Then the BMW left, but the Mercedes got caught.
Dang.
That was 12.
That was 12 the whole time.
Undercover, Ford, F-150.
No way. I would have got out of there, bro. He not catching you. Bro. No way.
No way, that was 12. He was right. Matter of fact, you remember he was right there?
Yeah, he was right here the whole
there.
time.
You see that switch lane?
Yeah.
That was 12
yeah,
the whole time.
time.
That's crazy. Because the Mercedes kind of cut up.
Yeah.
Ain't no way that was matching. That brake light will come back on.
Snatching.
Snatching. I'm telling you. That was just 100. 20 to 100. That
20 to 100.
Snatching.
And a VIN.
Snatching. That joint, it wanted some more. That joint literally wanted more. That joint literally wanted some more. I'm telling you, that 25 roll is dumb.
Sheesh.
I'm telling you, he off right here real bad. Snatching them.
Snatching, eating the bean.